Hey Divas, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Chef It Up Fridays. In today's video, I'll be making some authentic Jamaican oxtail. So first, you want to go ahead, clean, wash and season your oxtail. Remember, when you're cleaning your oxtail, please remove all that excess fat. So you want to go ahead, trim it off, season it, let it sit and marinate. For mine, I let it marinate overnight because I didn't cook it until the next day, and this is how it looked. It was ready to cook, well seasoned, and it smells delicious. So first, you want to go get a pot, put it on the stove, add a little bit of oil and let that eat up. Once it eats up, you're gonna go ahead, add your oxtail, let them brown on all sides. I didn't have all the time to cook it and to its entirety on the stove top, so I went ahead and added it to my power cooker. So once all sides were brown, I removed them from my pot, my frying pan, and add it into my power cooker. Once they were brown on all sides, I went ahead and add them to my power cooker. Add a little bit of water, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, and a piece of ginger. Let it power cook for 30 minutes. After power cooking for 30 minutes, I went ahead and released the steam before opening the power cooker. Then I realized I didn't have any broader butter beans, so I went ahead and used some Great Northern beans, and trust me, they taste just the same. I just go ahead, stir it in, cover it again, and let it pressure cook for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, the beans are not cooked all the way through, but don't worry about that. You're going to finish it up on the stove top. And look at my oxtail, it's already fallen off the bone. So I'm going to go ahead, add it to my stove top, let it cook a little bit before adding my onions, scallion, thyme, garlic, and ginger. Covered the pot and let everything cook out. I love to let my onions cook really well because that's going to add some thickness to your gravy. Then I went ahead and added some carrots. Once the carrots were halfway cooked, I went ahead and added my bell peppers. And if you know, I love to leave my bell peppers for last because I don't like them cooking out too much, because this is going to give them that nice, vibrant color. I went ahead, stirred them in, covered the pot, and let it cook. once everything was cooked, this is how the plate looked. I went ahead, plated it out, and trust me, this tasted so delicious. It was cooked to perfection. It not only looks good, it also tastes delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're an oldie, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you're a newbie, please go ahead and subscribe. Bye.